Presenting NoiseFit Halo Smart Watch. It is available in colors vintage brown and leather classic black. This smartwatch offers 466 x 466 pixel resolution, which gives bright and sharp visuals upon every glance. The smartwatch features the biggest screen size of 1.43 inches, 3.63 cms, AMOLED display in a round dial. It has 300 mAh battery, which provides 7 days of battery life on a full charge and up to 1 day of power with calling activated. It has health monitoring tools like blood oxygen monitor, sleep monitor, 24/7 heart rate monitor, breathing practice, stress measurement and female cycle tracker. It offers an easier and hassle-free connections with single-chip BTV 5.3. Features advanced calling experience with True Sync TM-powered BT calling.